Cats can be allergic to humans. Yes, that furball curled on your couch might actually be sneezing because of you. While it's common to hear about people being allergic to cats, this flip side scenario is just as real. It's not your hair or clothes causing the issue, but rather the proteins from your dead skin cells. Cats with this rare condition will show symptoms like excessive grooming, itchy skin, or sneezing. So, if your feline friend seems unusually irritated, it might be worth considering they could be reacting to you. This peculiar allergy is a fascinating reminder of the complex relationships we share with our pets.